So I'm here this week in Phuket, and I've come over here because I was invited by my friend Adam. He's a tennis coach here in the British International School, and Adam's been working out here helping build up the tennis academy for the school. So this is the British School of Phuket. This is Adam. He's the main man here. He's running the tennis academy. And then we're here today to do a health talk, nutrition talk today, for a general health talk for the families, and then tomorrow more about sports performance for the players. And this is a big private school. How many students?
950.
950 students, and there's 150 kids in the tennis academy. What's cool about this school, they do sports scholarships. So if you're good at sport, you can get free school. So my job this week was to come out. I ran 2 workshops. The first one was aimed a bit more general overall health and lifestyle habits, like the big ones like sleeping. So we invited parents to come along to that. And then the second one was aimed a bit more about the actual components of nutrition and some food techniques, some sleep techniques, a lot of useful information that could help the athletes actually performance improve. And our big concern was on recovery. So I've been here, some big butterflies here. What's interesting about here is it's a bit like that movie with The Rock, where they go back in time. So you're constantly in the setting of like a jungle. And I woke up this morning and I saw a bird about this big and then a giant butterfly about 10 times the size of it fly past.
Sean, what does Vern say about this?
It's one of the first laws of island biogeography. Small animals become large and large animals become small.
Phuket is, I haven't been able to see too much because I'm only here for a few days. But the weather's nice. I'm in the rainy season. I don't know if you could see up in the sky, some big old clouds. But some days it will be fairly grey and drizzly all day, but the weather's nice. It's around 30 degrees. It's a little bit humid, but nothing compared to living in Saudi Arabia. So I'm loving it. And more importantly, there's this. There's lots of grass. So it's been a really nice, it's been an eye-opening trip for me because I've never been to Thailand. One of the main things for me was to come out and check out the food, which has been fresh, is to say the word. So obviously every restaurant has a different standard, but what you find here, the culture here, is that most people go out to eat all the time. Food is cheap. Even in decent restaurants, you're paying sort of $6, $7, $8 for a good meal, and obviously you can bring that right down to $1 if you eat by the side of the street. Last night we were at the Sports Awards, and this is an evening when they celebrate the sporting achievements of the athletes in the school. A lot of the students actually end up moving into professional contracts. But yeah, it was a lovely atmosphere. It was the kids. It's hard not to be jealous of these kids, really, when you see the school, the quality of the school, the quality of the education, the kind of the happiness of the teachers. So you get this amazing vibe within the school. Typical Thai culture, as you'd expect: hospitable, happy, smiley, just getting on with their lives. Everything is pretty much the same as most countries I visit. People work, kids go to school, everyone has a job, and you're just getting by, socialising, there's activities. So there's a lot of construction work always going on, like in most countries in Asia. So it's been a really nice, it's been an eye-opening trip for me because I've never been to Thailand. You come here and you live here. It's not a bad place to live, Great food, great people, great beaches, nice weather, great school. What's not to love? So you might see me move over here, who knows? But if not, I'll be flying back to Saudi Arabia and back into the grind. Peace.